you are definitely welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today we're going to be making a very quick, easy, mouth-watering breakfast recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into preparation. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and let's do it together. Alright, so in my pan, I'll be adding in my vegetable oil. I'll heat it up a bit and I'll add in my chopped onion. Okay, I'm gonna be sauteing this for a few minutes and I'll go in with my black pepper. I'll be adding black pepper to this. If you have fresh pepper, go ahead to use it. Okay, so I'll add in my salt. I'll give this a quick mix. I'll go in with my red bell pepper. Next, I'll be adding in my seasoning powder. I'll go in with my seasoning powder. I'm using chicken seasoning powder for this recipe. And I'll add in my curry powder too. All this is building up the flavor. We are building up flavor from here. So I'll give this a quick stir, mix everything to combine together. And I'll add in my pumpkin leaf. So this is my washed pumpkin. And this is what I'm gonna be using, and it's so fresh. This meal is so healthy. You can pair it with so many things, whatever you want to pair it with, rice, bread. I don't know, what do you think you can use this, what do you think you can pair this recipe with? Okay, so we are not done. In here, I'll set that aside, allow to cool a bit, and I'm going to be adding in my fresh egg here. Then I'll come back with my sauce that was made previously. So I'm going to be adding everything together. I'll mix them to combine them together. Thank you very much everyone for watching. Thank you for always coming back. I don't take your support for granted. Thank you very much. I truly appreciate all your support. I appreciate it. Okay, so I have some leftover beef, so I'll be adding it to it now. Whatever protein you have, you can go ahead to add it at this very point. Okay, so I'll give this a quick mix everything to combine together. Okay, next in my pan, I'll be adding in my vegetable oil. I'm using a non-stick pan for this recipe. Okay, so I'll transfer all the mixture into the pan. I'm spreading this. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this and cook till it is dry. And look at my final look. This is so yummy. What do you think you can pair this with? It came out so well. It's so healthy and the taste is amazing. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for sharing my video. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for all you do for me. I truly appreciate. Okay, so this is the outcome and it was so yummy. From me is bye bye.